Don't you think that it's boring how people talk?
Help me map out this shot, because I wanna go
Making
get
smart
those birds
with
to
the
like
words again.
come like spook
Well,
up.
I'm bored.
Huh?
Because I'm doing this for
No,
the
I
thrill
think
of
me
it,
flying
killing
through
it,
them is
living
gonna
on
do it.
chasing a million things I want.
Wait over there and you fly.
And I am only as young as the minute is full of it, getting pumped up on the little bright things I want. Things I want. Things I want.
I realized for FPV, the key is flying the same spot multiple times. This is the first time that I've done a new spot in a while, and I can't just like rip it around. Yeah, because I was like, shit, there's power lines, there's that. Once I like kind of 3D map out where everything's at, it'll be fun. Huh? Hooked? Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. This is what I needed.